Yeah, so on this one, we're driving the little track that goes to the Edisto River, and I'm gonna try to use my SLR cameras to take some better video.
Yeah.
Maybe some better pictures.
I'm actually driving.
Yeah.
This time.
She's actually driving. We'll see how long that lasts. All right.
I'm a good driver. Buckle up for safety.
Yeah, definitely. Come on, Spiro, up.
Come on, Spiro. All right, stay.
You guys might not have met our dog, but there's our dog. Her name's Saphira.
Hey, Saphira. Say hi to the camera. Say hi. Hey, Saphira. Say hi. Saphira. Look. Don't you eat our cheeseburgers.
Saphira. Are you ready?
Are we ready? All right, here we go. You ready?
Power, go! Source power, go!
All right, you're gonna survive, Eli. So calm down. All right, here we go. Ooh.
This is strange.
I hope he checked to see if this was hard ground here, or else we might be Oh my goodness, that felt really weird.
Yeah.
I so thought we were stuck for a minute. Oh gosh, that scared me.
Yeah.
I was like, the first hole, we're stuck.
How is that?
Wow, this is like Jurassic Park, going through the woods, and hopefully there's no pterodactyls gonna fly in.
And like no sponsors. And no monsters. Yeah.
All right, we made it through that little squishy mud spot really easy.
Ow.
I'm kind of freaking out because this is a big one.
And I'm freaking out because we're going to get eaten by a monster. Help me.
Oh, buddy, here we go.
Well, this is.
Oh my gosh, he put the camera really, really close here. That was awesome.
No, that was crazy. We have to go.
I'm waiting for Daddy to see if he wants us to go.
That was big one. Final. One. Mosasaur 8-11. And Isaac.
Oh yeah, that was cake. We got that.
Yeah, we got them beat out. Daddy.
All right, so this obstacle normally doesn't have water in it, but it looks like the river is so high that there's water in it now. A little bit of current flowing through here. I'm looking at the depth. I can see bottom throughout the whole thing. I've been through this before, so I think we're gonna be okay.
We've gone down this way before, but this, oh my gosh, dude, this is actually a lot deeper. I don't know what he's thinking. This is a bad idea. This is like literally moving water right here. I don't know why. What? I really don't know if I agree with this idea. This is a bad idea. I'm glad he wants to drive this because I definitely do not want to get the car stuck in this. Oh my gosh. Oh, that's insane. Okay, wow. And I don't know how the heck I'm getting across there.
You need to hurry up. The kids are doing
Honey,
stuff.
I'm gonna fall in. Like...
No, you're not. Just take a long step. That's all it is.
No! I chickened out. I can't do it.
Yeah. You're gonna fail every jump you don't take.
Okay. Here goes nothing. Oh my god!
See, you made it. You would be a lot less wet if you didn't chicken out in the first jump.
Oh god.
Yeah, we made it, guys. We made it.
Yeah, and there's also sand.
Oh yeah. Pull a little farther. Oh wait, you've got the car angled wrong for the awning.
I know.
Close the door, Isaac. Close the door. Back up.
Wait, are we putting it on the sand or are we putting it on the grass over there?
That's a good point. Why don't you back up and pull over farther this way so we can put it over onto that hump right there. A mushroom?
Yeah.
Cool,
it's brown
dude.
and pink. Brown? Yeah, it's brown and
This is awesome, right, guys?
Yeah. Why is it going in the water a little bit?
Why must you doubt me? Alright guys, come get your chairs and set them up. Chairs, we gotta hurry. And then I'll get your food after all the chairs are set up.
Here you go, baby.
Okay. I'm going to leave
Alright, so get your chairs up. A
Bowl.
combo means it has fries and a drink.
Fries and a drink. Oh, man.
All right, well, I'm pretty happy with this spot.
Yeah, I like this spot. Who likes this spot?
The river's high. The leaves are all pretty and yellow, changing colors. Water's moving. So far, I'd say this is a good place to eat some Tasty Freeze burgers. Starting to rain just like they forecasted. So we have our awning up. What do you think about being outside, Evan?
Guys,
You like it?
I got to have some rain.
How about you, Eli? What do you think?
Wait a second, you don't think this could cause a flash flood?
It could.
Look.
Alright, everybody eat quickly.
I mean, it's only forecasting thunderstorms, 100% chance of thunderstorms here at 1 o'clock.
My mommy.
Isaac, what do you think about eating your lunch outside?
Good.
Are those yummy French fries?
I didn't say anything.
Here, Sophia.
Okay, she won't fetch sticks. Ah, Aaron.
What? Good girl, Sophia.
She won't fetch sticks and chews them up.
No, she does fetch sticks. She fetches sticks and then chews them.
She doesn't bring it back. Fetch is you're supposed to bring it back.
Good job, Evan. What do you think about that?
Good.
Is she a good dog?
Alright, cheeseburger face, come here. Leaves are falling. Leaves on leaves on leaves on leaves.
That's beautiful.
In the deep middle
What have you been drinking, honey?
What? Are you talking about me hiccuping?
Yeah.
I ate too fast. It
Sound
made me
like Friar
hiccup.
Tuck over there. Careful. No, no poking the awning.
No, Evan.
No poking me on
break
that.
it.
Whoa, what'd you find? Did you find some green moss?
Yeah.
Show it. Whoa. All right, go run back to mommy now. Run, run, run. Don't fall, though. Don't fall. Sit, sit, Vera.
Sit. Oh my god. Cheese. No wiggling.
All right, wait 1 second. Stay right there. Stay right there. All right, now face the water again. Hold hands and face the water.
Oh,
Hold
look,
hands. No, Eli. Hold hands and face the water. See, it's got plenty of room in here. I can expand these. We could actually put more new fabric on it too if we wanted to, but we could roll a lot more into there if we wanted to.
All right.
What do you guys see? Do you see any water?
Yeah.
Now turn around and say cheese. You got
Go get the bobber now.
the bobber.
Yeah.
There's no bobber over there.
Oh, it's over there.
I don't see it. No, you cannot go in the water.
I'm gonna go show you.
No, I'm looking. I don't see it, buddy. Yeah, but first we got to make it through all the obstacles, huh?
Whoa,
There's an
Aaron.
obstacle.
There's a tree really close to
Where's
your
the
window there.
obstacle?
Where?
Right beside your window. What do you
The
mean?
one that's like 4 feet from my window?
How did you guys like that adventure?
Great.
It was great.
What was your favorite part?
What'd you think, Evan?
Going up those big mud holes.
Yeah.
You like the big mud holes?
Yeah, the big, huge one, the last one.
You didn't think that eating was the coolest part?
Nope. And I ate all
You
my
still trying to
sandwich.
buckle in, Isaac?
You almost got it?
You
Yeah,
almost
can
got
help
it.
him?
Push hard. Push hard. Use all your muscles.
Oh, you almost got it.
There. Yeah.
Let me get a special treat.
Bye-bye. Say bye-bye, Sandy Beach.
Bye-bye, Sandy Beach.
There's a lot more sand when the water's not so high.
Yep.
Uh-oh.
What?
Well, first of all, the way I put the table is just going to be
Not a bad idea.
mediocre. But
It's shaking
you
around
ready?
up there. Yeah.
You guys ready for the pterodactyls?
Yeah.
Here we go.
Silly.
Do it again. Do it even more.
Well, it doesn't go faster than that, unfortunately.
All right.
Where's the pterodactyl?
It's our windshield wipers. Did you hear them?
They didn't sound like a pterodactyl at all.
It didn't?
It did. It said rah, 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 rah.
Okay. All right. All
This
right.
road's pretty crazy right now. Maybe
Yeah, it
Eleni
is.
can show it off with the camera. It has water on both sides.
Yep.
Hey, I'm trying to talk to
We've
the
got
camera,
the
guys.
river over
Please stop
here.
making noises.
Cameron.
And then
The camera.
it goes literally across the road that we go on, like we saw earlier. And then it's on the other side as well.
Yep, on both sides.
So hopefully the water didn't
Do you
get
want
up
to
high
jump
too much.
across the river again so you can video me going across?
Have you lost your mind?
You know what they say
What?
for water crossings?
What?
You shouldn't buckle up. That way, in case you need to get out fast, you can.
Well, I don't know if it's gonna be that intense of a water crossing.
Well, we've done it. This will be our third time.
Yeah, this
so.
is like the third or fourth time.
Yeah, fourth time actually, you're right.
Going in the big mud hole. This is
It was
the
so
mud hole I
scary.
like.
It's so scary.
This is the mud hole I like.
Oh my gosh! I hope that GoPro can show like how deep it's getting in there, because that is
You
so
don't
freaky.
think the camera we had set up the first time that you manned got it?
Well, hopefully some camera got it to where you can see really how deep and freaky that is going through that.
You made sure you hit record on that session, right?
But
Yeah, I
Daddy,
did.
Okay.
but Daddy is too far on this trail.
Too far on this trail?
Yeah.
Well, it's a little bit of a ways, but not too far.
You'll make it.
Yeah, we
You'll
will.
make it.
I feel like Jim Carrey again
Why?
in Ace Ventura, like bouncing my head around.
Did you take your... Oh, that's my strap. Or my phone.
Yeah.
Trying to get rid of that clicking noise.
Yeah. Looks like the river's trying to come across here too.
Yeah, it is.